This is the DoWhacker razor. It's a great tool because you have the flexibility of 4 different guards. The guard that's on here now is your standard guard that you can use for most of your razoring. It's going to give you a standard type cut. Then I'm going to take this one off, this guard off, and you can put them on either way you want to. You can put it on this side or that side. It makes it very good for a left-handed person. Typically your guard is going to be between the head and your blade, but there might be some styles and some reasons that you want to have on the guard on the other side. You have that flexibility. This one is more of a texturizing guard, and it's going to give you either long wispies, or if the hair is short, it's going to be more spikies. Can you see this texture I just created in here with long wispies? Now this other texturizing guard is going to be a little bit different pattern. And let's see what type of a pattern this one's going to create. Do you see that? It's a little less dramatic, and you've got the long wispies, or if this was short hair, you would have a certain type of a spiky look. Maybe really good for a mohawk type of style, or texturizing some bangs to give some fun textures. My favorite guard is this one with the directional teeth. Let me show you what this will do. If you have it put in this way, and you want the hair to go in that direction, then you can razor in that direction. If you turn the guard around, and let's say you wanted the hair to flow more toward the face, you see how easy that would be? To give the directional movement of your cutting more to the face. So you have 4 different looks with 4 different guards. And we recommend Persona blades. Buy a good quality blade. When you buy blades for this razor, it will make a difference in the way it cuts. Do you see the little gold knob here? You see that little gold knob right there? I'm going to slide that knob, and that pushes my blade out. That's simple. Pull it out, put your new blade in there, slide it back, and your little knob will slide back in there. Different ways you can hold this razor is if you're doing some light razoring, you may put your finger here, your pinky here, and do a light movement like this for light feathering razoring. If you're wanting to remove more hair and you need to put more pressure in removing a larger quantity of hair, putting your pointer finger in this little dipped in area and gripping it like this will allow you to have a little heavier movement. So you have that flexibility of doing some light feathering razoring or removing larger sections of hair with a heavier type of razoring. That's a DoWhacker razor with 4 guards.